Welcome to the ultimate marshmallow showdown, where gagging sounds mix with victory cheers.
The most marshmallows in their mouth will be able to pick first in the next round. So since I won the last round, I get to pick the size of the marshmallows first. Obviously, I'm gonna go with the small marshmallow. Dang, he's gonna be able to fit like 100 and Kat's gonna fit like 2 in her mouth. Oh, and I get to pick second because you were the loser. I'm picking a medium one.
3, 2, 1, go.
Dude, I can only do 7.
The sound of your gagging made me want to throw up.
He's eating the marshmallows, you freaking weirdo. 30 in my mouth, right?
30? Damn, you actually
Swallowed it? Yeah. That makes me the clear winner of this round. You guys don't want to mess with me when it comes to food challenge. Well, I come in second place because I got 7.
I only got 3 in my mouth.